In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to download data from Yahoo Finance. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to finance.yahoo.com and then get to your account. Once you get inside of your account, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to My Portfolio or My Watch List. It doesn't really matter, it works the same exact way. So just click on the specific one that you want to extract the data from. From here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to here, right beside this eye icon. It should be doing something that looks similar to a download button. From here, you'll just need to download it, or click on it, and then you can click Download Portfolio. Here you can print this portfolio, or you can save it as a CSV file. From here, if you click Print the Portfolio, you'll get this page right here. And from here you can just click print and then print it out on your printer. But if you want to download as a CSV file so you can add it into your Excel file, then you'll just need to save this portfolio as a CSV. From here it should bring something like this where you can see the portfolio.csv file will be saved onto your computer, and then you can open it using Excel or any other app that supports CSV files. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!